Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 8. Let's start with the basics of navigation. Your Fenix 8 features 5 physical buttons and a vibrant touchscreen for intuitive control. You can easily customize your watch face to show up to 8 data fields, providing immediate access to your most important metrics. Additionally, learn to manage widgets for quick information at a glance. Next, let's dive into tracking your activities. The Fenix 8 offers over 80 preloaded sports profiles, making it simple to start and stop your workouts. Its advanced multi-band GPS ensures superior location accuracy, even in dense urban areas or deep forests. After your session, you can review comprehensive data directly on your wrist, including distance, pace, and elevation gain. Your Fenix 8 is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors vital metrics like your heart rate, sleep patterns, and stress levels throughout the day. You can also track your body battery energy levels, helping you understand when to rest or push harder. Gain insights into your overall fitness with metrics like fitness age and VO2 max, guiding your training efforts. Finally, let's explore customization and smart features. You can personalize data screens for each of your activity profiles, ensuring you see the information most relevant to you. Stay connected with smart notifications from your paired smartphone, delivered right to your wrist. Plus, enjoy the convenience of making secure, contactless payments using Garmin Pay at millions of locations worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.